Most singers focus on one thing when it comes to high notes. How do I sing higher? So they try to push, they try to force, they try to add more power. But here's the truth. That's actually the reason you keep struggling with your high notes. One of the biggest reasons your high notes feel tight, strained, or blocked is because you're still holding on to your chest voice coordination as you go higher. Let me explain. When you sing low notes, your vocal folds are naturally thicker. There's more weight in the sound. It feels grounded, strong, and full. That's completely normal. But as you start ascending into your upper range, your voice is supposed to change. And this is where a lot of singers get it wrong. Instead of allowing that change to happen, you try to carry the same weight, the same thickness, and the same coordination from your low notes into your high notes, and your voice simply cannot function that way. As you go higher, your vocal folds need to thin out. Your voice needs to become lighter, more flexible, less heavy. It's not a weakness, it's actually how the voice is designed to work. But if you refuse to let go of that chest voice weight, you will hit a wall. And you've probably felt this before. You're singing up a scale, everything feels fine, then suddenly the voice locks. It feels tight, it feels stuck, it feels like the note is just not coming out freely. That's not because you can't sing the note, it's because you're carrying too much weight into that part of your range. So what do most singers do in that moment? They push harder, they add more effort, they increase the pressure, they try to force the sound out. But that only creates more tension. Now your throat gets involved, your jaw starts tightening, your neck muscles engage, and everything becomes even more difficult. So instead of solving the problem, it actually makes it worse. Here's what you need to understand. High notes are not about strength. They are about coordination. As you move into your upper range, there is a lot happening in your voice at the same time. Your vocal folds are thinning out, your throat needs to stay free and relaxed, your breath pressure needs to be controlled, not excessive, and your airflow needs to be steady and balanced. All of these things have to work together. That's what creates a free, easy high note. Not force, not pushing, not shouting. Coordination. So, what should you start doing differently? First, stop dragging your chest voice too high. You don't have to completely lose it, but you do have to release some of that weight as you ascend. Second, allow your voice to get lighter. This is where many singers get uncomfortable, because lighter can feel unfamiliar, sometimes it even feels weak at first, but that lightness is actually what gives you access to freedom. Third, keep your throat relaxed. If you feel tightness in your throat, it's usually a sign that something else is out of balance. Often it's too much weight or too much pressure. Fourth, manage your breath properly. You don't need to blast air to hit high notes. In fact, too much air pressure can make things worse. You need controlled, steady breath, not force. And finally, start thinking less about reaching for high notes and more about releasing into them. Because the truth is, high notes are not something you force your way into. They are something you allow your voice to move into with the right coordination. Let me give you something simple to try. Take a scale on a vowel like oo or e. As you go higher, don't try to get louder. Don't try to push. Just let the sound get lighter, smoother, easier. If you start to feel tight, that's your sign that you're carrying too much weight. Back off, reset, and try again with less effort. Over time, this will train your voice to coordinate properly. So remember this, if your high notes feel tight, if you keep hitting a wall, if your voice feels stuck, you're not lacking power, you're carrying too much weight. And once you learn how to let that go, your high notes will start to feel easier, freer, and more controlled. If you want to develop strong, effortless high notes, then you need to train your coordination, not just your power. Follow for more vocal training tips. And if you're serious about improving your voice, send me a message and let's work together. Until next time, one mic and happy singing.